Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to see organic traffic in Google Analytics 4. So first you have to log in your Google Analytics account, then click on reports, and after that you can see so many reports are here. So if you are not able to see these reports, what you can do, you have to go to library and enable these reports. So you can easily enable, like suppose I want to enable this. So it depend on your business requirement. You can you know enable or publish these reports. After that you can see all the reports here. So in acquisition, in life cycle, or you can see in generate leads. So there are so many ways you can see the organic traffic. So suppose I want to see this report here, traffic acquisition. So here you can see the organic traffic. If you want to see Bing and Google and other search engines traffic, then you have to click here and then click source and medium. So it will show you Bing and Google traffic separately. And if you want to see report here, you can also see this report here. In life cycle, you have to go to traffic acquisition. Here you can see organic traffic. Similarly, you have to click on source and medium. You can further see Bing and Google organic traffic and all. Here referral, email and all the traffic you can see. So it's not for organic, you can see other traffic as well. If you want to separately see everything and graph and all, you have to click here add filter, click here source and medium. So we can see medium, it's a dimension. Okay, session source, and here you can see Google and Bing, and then apply. So there are so many ways. So here you can see the graph only indicate the organic traffic, and there are other ways you can do this. Add filter and select here I would say default channel grouping. So here I will add default channel group. Click here and exact match and organic search and click apply. So now you will only see your organic search only, and you can add more filters, and also you can add I would say country. So in the second dimension you can add country, city, and so many things are available here. So you can add month, everything you can add, it's up to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box.